All right, so trying to get these guys extracted. We're having a hell of a time doing it, but we came up with a really cool way. So these little plugs are kind of oriented this way. And none of the tools on our handy dandy rack was working. So we kind of made one. So we took one of the flat ones and just bent it 90 degrees. You can see our perfect bends. Oh yes. So what should happen is that you take, if it's this way, you're gonna put them in like, man, this is really hard to do like this, but I can do it like this. And you're gonna have to really jam them in there. So just to give you an idea, like they're about that far in. So you gotta go after it. We actually destroyed another plug that we didn't need in order to kind of make this tool. It's back here. So to give you full thing. So here's the one that we broke open just so we could see, and this one's there. But the clips on the inside look like this. So it won't focus on that, but there's two little tiny clips on both sides of this, and it sits down this way. So what we need to do is we need to shove this guy in there, and how we determine how far it needs to go is like this. So you've got these little clips on the side. That's how far it's got to go in. So it's got to go in pretty far, almost to the twist, which is kind of a problem, but it has worked. And I realized, hey, I should make a little video of this. So you take this little guy, shove him in there. There we go. And now you take one of your, let's see, where is he? It's on here somewhere. Yeah, this little guy. And you just kind of pry that. Sorry, I know you can't see it, but it's really hard for me to do it like this. Let me get there we go. So like that, just kind of pull him up and he'll come right out. Now the other thing is too, got a little corrosion on that guy. Oh, that's not good. Another thing is too, is if you leave this in here, you know where it goes. I'm speaking from experience here. So now I can just kind of let that be, and it's not coming out of there. It's not coming out. So anyway, just thought it'd be a fun trip. Anyway, thought that'd be kind of a fun tip. Pro tip.